1 year sa daycare. 1 year sa daycare. 1 year sa kinder. 6 years sa elementary. 6 years sa high school. At 4 years sa college. Total, 18 years kang mag-aaral. Tapos, maghahanap ka ng trabaho. Kailangan mo ng mga requirements. Diploma, resume, TOR, in situ or in C3, barangay clearance, police clearance, NBI clearance, birth certificate, medical certificate, drug test, SSS number, PhilHealth number, Pag-ibig number, BIR number, at work experience. At kailangan with pleasing personality. At ang sahod mo lang 500 pesos a day. Only in the Philippines. It's more fun in the Philippines.